Yep, they're getting better. So this one, you have two shapes here. You have the circle. You have to be careful here. The radius of the circle is going to be 9. Remember, area of a circle is going to be pi r squared. Make sure you put the r in parentheses. So we got our circle, and then the other shape that we're going to have is we have this square. I should write on there this is a square. You can't assume it's a square, so I'll write on the sheet that it's a square. Because it's a square, I know that this is going to be split up into a 45, 45, 90 triangle, so you can find the base and the height using your 45, 45, 90 ISO. And then your area formula, I keep saying area, your probability formula is going to be the whole thing, goes in the denominator, which is going to be the area of the circle. And then the part, or the shaded region, is going to be up top, so that's going to be the circle minus the square. Make sure you put those in parentheses. Numerator and the denominator should always go in parentheses, otherwise you're going to have order of operations issues with your calculator. Peace.